We have question number 3 of exercise 1.1. We have to find an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So we have to find the maximum numbers of columns in which they can march. Means we have to find the HCF of both these numbers. So we have members in army contingent is 616. Members in army band is 32. The maximum number of columns we have to find. So we have given two numbers. So which number is greater? 616 is greater. So it will be, we will solve it by equivalent division algorithm. What it says, A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is greater than 0 and less than B. So what is A? A is 616, B is 32. So we will divide it 32 1 32. Subtract this, we will get this 2 9 6 32 9 2 8 8. Now subtract this, we will get 8. Now how we will write it in equivalent division? 616 is equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. So we can divide it further. So we will divide it further. Now this time, this is our dividend, 32. 8 for 32. So we get our divisor. Our last divisor is this because we get the remainder. So our last divisor is 8 and this is the HCF. So how we will write this? This is, we can write it as 32 is equal to B is 8 into Q. Q is 4. This is Q plus remainder is 0. So HCF is HCF of 616 and 32 is 8, and we have to find maximum numbers of columns. Maximum numbers of column for March is 8. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlife.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.